What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. And then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Just like that, folks, we have flipped the script in a matter of one day. That's why I always stress the importance of being patient. That's why I always stress the importance of following the fundamentals and sticking to the script. A few days ago, Bitcoin was beat down. It dipped down to $66,000. The fear and greed index was ripped. Everybody was panicking. That's why I was telling folks, we are in the buy low, sell high business. When you see these coins start to dip low, those are buy signals or opportunities for you to start accumulating, for you to start buying, getting your position set, getting ready so you can have your bags packed. So when things do start to go parabolic, you will have your position set, you will have your bags packed and ready to take advantage of these exponential blow up tops and multipliers that will be in our face once altcoin season comes. As you know, today Bitcoin recovered with $69,555. The fear and greed index is at 56. So you know, folks are still having the effect of the past few days when they were panicking. They was freaking out. They was selling their coins in the red, taking losses. Don't sell your plays in the red. Wait till they recover. We are in the buy low, sell high business. Why are you selling low? You're not sticking to the script. You're not sticking to the fundamentals. You must not be in the Patreon, because you know that I stress we buy low and sell high. We do not sell in the red. We don't sell at a loss. We take our bruises, we diversify our plays, and that's how we will be dominating this upcoming bull market. So shout out to everybody who've been sticking to the script, who've been patient. You are being rewarded today. The Bitcoin dominance is 54.2. Bitcoin is 69,000, almost $70,000. The fear and greed index is still soft. We're at 56. It'll probably get back up to the 60s later on today. But as you can see, today is an outstanding day. You have so many altcoins. Injective up 23%. LPT is up 25%. Notcoin is up 19%. Pendle is up 14%. So many of your favorite altcoins, you are being rewarded right now with great gains because you have been patient, trusting the process. So hopefully this is a learning lesson, especially for the folks that are new. This is what will happen. Bitcoin will look scary one day, may look scary 2-3 days, but ultimately the fact that we are in a bull market, things will recover. We will be making higher highs along the way. We also saw PandaSwap yesterday. PandaSwap took a dip and was down 93%. I saw a post where the developer said that they was hacked. Somebody hacked their account, so forth and so on. But you know, I posted that over there in the Patreon. We were talking about that in the Patreon. We like, look, since it's down right now, it's still being traded. It's not eliminated. It's not halted. Take a gamble, buy a little bit, you know, and see. So we increased our position last night, and just overnight we have doubled our money. So that's why it's really important to be in a community. You have somebody on the left of you, somebody on the right of you that's giving information that you may not have been privy to otherwise. So that was a great play that we got into. We got into the PandaSwap play. We also got into the R-Trade place, ARTRADE. We got into that play. It was beat down. R-Trade had did a 100x a few months ago. It got beat down real low. I'm like, man, this is probably the lowest that R-Trade will go. We got in R-Trade while it was dirt cheap, while it's low, and R-Trade's probably up 30-40% today. So it's really important for you to really pay attention to the coins that you're in. It's really important that you trust the person on the left and the right of you and see what they're talking about, because a lot of times, you know, we're not exposed to the same thing. We're not looking at the same thing. There's so much information out there. There's so many coins out there. We cannot pay attention and be knowing what's going on with each and every coin. But if we are in the community, the person on the left and on the right of you, they can share the coins they're looking at. I can share the coins I'm looking at, so forth and so on. So with all the eyes that we have looking on the market, that's how we are able to better take advantage of the particular coins. It's not just one set of eyes. You have multiple set of eyes when you're over there in the Patreon and you're seeing what the next person is talking about what the next person is doing, their strategies, and you can ask them a question. Why do you think that coin is going up? Why are you in this particular play? What exchanges are you using? Oh, you using Uniswap. How do you use Uniswap? That's why I say it's so important to be in a community. You do not want to be out here as a lone wolf, not knowing how to navigate, not knowing what a base network is, not knowing what the Solana Soulflare wallet is. You know, there's so many tools out there to where if you don't know about them, it will cost you in the long run, and you'll be sitting around waiting for 2028 when you could take advantage of the bull market right now, 2024, 2025. So we're going to see how this day continue to run, but like we say, ultimately Bitcoin's at $69,000. Everybody for the most part already is on the same accord that Bitcoin will be hitting the $100,000 mark. So if you are not at the $100,000 mark yet with Bitcoin, and you see the altcoins, you see the market dipping, don't panic, don't run, because we have not hit our mark yet. We are still in the realm where we are and have access to dollar cost averaging, buy the lows, and hold our place and wait till this thing start to really kick in exponential super cycle altcoin season mode. So, you know, this is just another day that we can check off. This is another day, because each day is a learning lesson. Each day we're learning so many different things to look out for. Nobody is the smartest in the room. Nobody is a complete 100% guru. You know, we all have things that we need to learn, and we'll continue to learn on the way. But it's really important for you to continue watch these charts, watch the market, and communicate with the person on the left of you and the right of you to get and be able to grasp and learn as much as possible. But like I say, I just come to y'all every day just to continue to give y'all that good encouragement, coming to y'all every day to give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.